Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a pickup free from USPS. It's very simple. You have to create an account, register with USPS. It's a simple form that you click on sign up and do that. So we have our username and password. We're going to log in on it. So click on this section, quick tools, and you see schedule a pickup. Click then. You have the pickup information. Click on check if the service is available or no. What is the location of your package? If it's in the office, in the reception, living room, wherever you have your package, front door, back door, for the mailer from the USPS guys coming to pick up the package. So in this example, we're going to use office. If you want a specific pickup time, they charge you $25. But if you select on the regular scheduled mailing delivery, it's totally free. You don't have to pay nothing. And here we have too many set up already, but we're going to use for this example on February. It's the next one that we have without setup. It's simple. Look the calendar. The gray one is unavailable. Available is the white one, and you click on the date that you are needed the pickup. We need every day because we're selling online, but you can set up just for tomorrow for your package. If you have 3 packages to send, you can do that. On this case, for free service, you need to have minimum 1 package of priority mail. In my case, I set up for 20 packages and 1 express and 30 first class. The total pound that I estimate is 50 pounds. It's just estimate. You don't have to push exactly amount. It's just for the USPS guys have a space for your package on the truck. With that, you click on a term and condition and click on schedule pickup. Then you see all pickup is automatically created by USPS. You don't have nothing more to do. Just waiting for the USPS person coming to pick it up the selected. That is another video, so I hope this video helped you. If you have any question, please leave a comment below and we're going to respond as soon as we can. Thank you.